Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to switch flights on Jetstar Airways. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that you just need to go and log into a profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't of course already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top side of the screen we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu and your profile. And in the middle of the screen, we have, of course, the option where you can go and book a flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and switch flights on Jetstar Airways. So first of all, you need to go and click on the Manage Booking, which is here. Click on it. Then, when that screen pops out, of course, you need to go and enter your booking reference and last name and search for a flight. I don't have a flight at the moment, but when you have one, it will be here. Then select the option to change flight. Choose the new flight you want to from the available options. Follow the prompts to confirm the changes and pay any applicable fees. If your booking was made through a travel agent, you may need to contact the travel agent directly to make the switch. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.